everyone, welcome back to Mary Kinder. My name is Mariam and I'm a stay-at-home mom to a kindergartner. Here on this channel, I am sharing some teaching content related to preschool, pre-K and kindergarten, and I'm sharing my motherhood journey with you. I feel encouraged and a little bit overwhelmed when I see such an amazing responses and your love. Okay, so coming back to today's video. This video is all about homeschooling supplies, must-haves and essentials, or what you need to get yourself going with homeschooling. Okay, so here I'm going to show you all the supplies which we use on a regular basis. Our first supply are these cute little baggies. Consists of flashcards. We have seasons, we have weather, we have family and emotions, we have sight words, we have alphabets and numbers. Okay, let me show you the animal phonics flashcards. They are very cute, easy to hold. We have uppercase and lowercase letter. Really like it. It helps my child in letter recognition and we can use it in various activities. You can easily download it from Canva. I'll drop the link in the description box, and it goes on with all the 26 alphabets. Next we have are these maths cards. I have prepared them on Canva. When I was searching for the maths flashcards, nothing was really attractive or consists of vibrant colors, so I have prepared them myself. If you want to download it, I'll drop the link. Furthermore, we have flashcards for weather. You can use it for your preschooler. This one is my favorite. And as it goes on with seasons as well, whenever we have our circle time, you can use these flashcards in your morning basket or in different activities. I have cutted some side words for the flashcards, and I have laminated them for the month of December till February, and we have more to go. So much work to go for homeschooling. Let's head into reading and literacy. I am showing you some of Heather's favorite home garden books which we will be using this year. Okay, the first book which we are going to be reading this year is Christmas ABC, and we have already read its another version which is Halloween ABC, and I really like it. I love the vibrant color, the quality of the book. It will going to help your preschooler in letter recognition. These are the cutest picture books, and I feel like if you have a preschooler, go for such kind of book. For coloring, cutting and pasting, we will be using this Coloring Fun. Any type of books with rhymes and repetitions are a great source of learning and speech therapy. This is the book with great concepts and 20 activities which your child will explore. I was going through the content list, and what excites me more, what I felt is more like a Montessori approach or fine motor skills book. A child can have actually hands-on activities discovering the magic of numbers, shapes and measurements. It's very colorful. We're gonna love it. After that, we got this beautiful book for nursery rhymes for bedtimes, and it goes on with fantasies and fairy tales. So this is for the bedtime, but we most probably use in our circle period. Loads and loads of apologies. There is some construction work going on near our house, so there is a noise coming from the background, and I can't do anything with that. Our next supply is this cute wooden box. Consists of our painting material, our coloring material. Our paints are over here, our Excel pencils, and most important, our maths manipulator. I use this seashell for counting for the math purpose. Here we have paints. Although my son is like not in the crayon phase, but we still love it. I bought this coloring resource from the dollar shop. I absolutely love the quality. They are as cheap as chips, and I think like what I believe is to normalize to go to the places which are affordable to everyone. Furthermore, we have this great basket which is basically used for our crafting purpose. We have some glue rods and some popsicle sticks, the construction sheets, and our oversupply, a bunch of things which we use for crafting. For letter recognition, we are using some wooden alphabets. You can use them in a variety of activities. Next we have are these wooden counting numbers. These wooden shapes will help your child in learning about shapes and colors. Let me share with you the final resource of today's video is our preschool binder. Firstly, we have all about me page. Like I have traced his name and like these all alphabets, and he have traced it. Here is the curriculum which we are using this year, and if you haven't seen my curriculum video, I'll drop the link in the description box. You have to watch it for your child. Okay. Next we have is our EPL curriculum, our sensorial curriculum, rhymes, my favorite. I hope you can see that. Okay, we have a bunch of rhymes, I love it. And then we have some coloring things going on. He has painted himself. We have painted this house. What have we got next? Yeah, we have some doodle worksheets here. Here we have some writing patterns and our thematic calendar. I'll make a separate video for the themes of the year. If you want more informational content for your toddler or for your child, stay connected with Mary Kinder for the upcoming video on how to decor my winter wall. Till then, bye-bye.